One hot summer day, the jungle was dry and thirsty. The animals had no water left. Mowgli heard Baloo the bear saying, "If we don't find water soon, we'll be in big trouble." Mowgli decided to help. He climbed high up the rocky mountain, followed the sound of a faint roar, and discovered a hidden waterfall behind thick vines. But Shere Khan, the tiger, was already there, waiting to claim it for himself. Mowgli bravely swung down on a vine, shouting, "The jungle belongs to everyone, not just you." With the help of Biggeera and Baloo, they scared Shere Khan away. Soon, the animals came to drink fresh, cool water. From that day on, the hidden waterfall became known as Mowgli's Spring.